Okay, Sandy081, I have done as you suggested. I created VS1 here at the instructions, actually. Let me just copy that. Echo. Okay, so that's the instructions. And that was the code I ran using VS1 user, fresh user data directory, and extensions directory. I went ahead and did that. And then actually let's go ahead and restart the whole process so you can see it. Code, it's actually ls, so you can see I've got a VS1 and a VS extension and a VS user, and you said code user data dir VS1 user, correct, and then extensions directory path to extensions dir VS1 extension, and now I run it. And you can see that there are no extensions installed. No extensions found, so this is a clean interface. v1.46.1. When I go to popular, I get the same error. No data coming through. Thanks for watching, and I hope there's a fix.